Careful, please. Well, look who it is.
Look who it is.
Hello from the wards 2018.
Hello.
If you get a shot of this room, it's because we've had a snow day today. And Harper has demolished the room per normal. It's completely cleaned up. But
It was completely cleaned up this morning. And
oh, yeah.
I mean, now they're just, oh gosh.
But he's really tired because we went outside and we played in the snow for like just a few minutes.
I mean, literally we're out there maybe like, what, 8 minutes at most? Oh, Bubba, I'd so right.
He's so sleepy. Wow, look at all the snow, Harps. There's a lot of snow for a little boy. I like those shoes you got going on. We got 2 layers of onesie, shoes and Target bags, and a coat, and our 3 hoods. Wait, a hat and 2 hoods. Wow, okay, stay right here. Look at all this. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Look. Okay, so that's the top of the basement. That's the top of the basement window. That's the first floor. Yeah, that's got to be, 8 feet up. So there's at least 3 feet. Look how close. Look at all this. Look at it all around.
Careful.
I mean,
Are you dancing?
it's only like in the 20s. We've tied bags around Harper's feet because his little snow boots haven't come in yet.
Careful.
They were supposed to be here today, but they didn't get here because of the snow. He's loving it. Isn't that funny? It's a good use for your Target bags, that's for sure. Yeah, look at this. Let me show you. Look.
Look at all that snow. Stay over here.
Let me turn around. Let me turn my Wi-Fi off.
Wow, look at Harper Ellis.
Crap.
Get up. You probably need your gloves on. Look at this.
Hey, sorry.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Look at how.
Careful, please.
There's little bags on it.
Got it. Careful.
Already fallen like 40 times.
He thinks it's funny. Slow. Don't run. Walk.
Just walk, baby. Just walk. Not hysterical. Look at this. Look. Boo-boo, look. Oh, yeah, he is loving it. Look at Kick the snow. Kick it, Harper.
Kick it.
Oh, goodness. Get
Oh,
up.
no.
Oh, no.
Look at all the lights, Bubba. Careful. You want to get in it one more time? Look. Whoa. Get in.
Sorry, my phone just died. But he is like, let me turn. Yeah. I mean,
Wow.
are like icebergs, and he will not put gloves on.
Wow, look
I mean,
at you.
I mean, it's up to his hips.
Wow.
It's up to his hips.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, look.
Careful, please.
Wait a second. Good job.
You're gonna be
Oh,
Woo. We're gonna have to warm you up, boy.
yeah. A
Whoa.
couple minutes, and then we gotta go inside, buddy. Are you cold? Are your hands cold, Bubba?
Oh yeah, no, this is the greatest day of his life.
He is loving this.
We're not going any further.
No, I mean, it's literally like up to his waist in some places.
Whoa!
I mean, he loves it. I mean, he's just laughing. I don't know if you can hear it. He's just going,
Ta-da!
I mean, they're taller than him. Look. Yeah, it's calmed down so much.
He just wants to jump into it.
Oh, yeah. Be careful, your hands, baby. I think it's...
But he loved it so much, but at the end he realized how cold his hands and all were. And he was like, what's happening to me? So anyway, we're just checking in, saying Happy New Year. We do have a couple other vlogs. I do have some stuff from Christmas and all that kind of stuff that I have to do. But we just thought this would be a fun snow day. It's the Blizzard 2018. What do they call it? The bomb cyclone? The bomb cyclone?
Wait, what do you want? I don't understand you. Tell mommy again. Do you want some, what? Do you want to go in the nights? Okay. I don't really understand what you're asking me. Do you want to watch the baby show? Baby show.
Baby show. So this is another thing you should know. We're really, over the course of the Christmas week, after Christmas, we got into this BBC show called The Midwife. If you don't know this and you're into British shows, it's on Netflix. We're almost in season 6 because we are so into it. And he'll even watch it sometimes. He calls it the baby show because it's about midwives and in the 50s and 60s. It's really good. If any of you are in it, let us know.
If you like Downton Abbey.
If you like, yeah, any of the British shows, you know we're into the British stuff. So, anyway, so we just thought we'd check in and show you some cute footage of Harper playing in the snow. And just say Happy New Year from We Are the Wards. Harper, say Happy New Year.
Harper, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
We love you guys.
Say mwah. 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 You blow kiss.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say thank you. Say see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.